darkness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story.
This is our normal video footage. Now we will speed ramp it. We will come to the video layer and time ramping will come. From there it comes to speed. Click on speed. The video layer needs to be enlarged. Select from where we want to increase or decrease the video speed, but keep in mind that if you want to make the video interesting, you have to adjust the spirit to match the music beat of the audio layer. Click on the pen tool, select where you want to increase the speed and increase the line. Increase the speed as much as you want. I have increased the speed so far. You can also increase the speed as per your wish. My speed has increased and now I can play and see how the video looks now than before. We've increased our speed, but we've got to make this video a little smoother, so we need to increase this line and bend it a little bit. Yeah, Al, that sounds pretty crap to me. Looks like BT ain't for me either. We must remember that the speed ramp can be arranged to the rhythm of the music. I am increasing the speed of this place again as before. I made it work smoothly by twisting the points on both sides a little. Now let's play again and see what it looks like. I got another music beat here, so I did another speed ramp from here. Let's see if we can play this effect. We have finished the work of the first layer and now we will move to the second layer. Pick the video clip of your choice and arrange it in the timeline. Speed ramp this layer to match the music video as before. Here we have to keep in mind that the speed ramp at the end of the first layer has been increased as far as the second layer, and the speed ramp of the first layer and the second layer should be increased at the same time and the video looks beautiful. Here again there is a music beat. I arranged the speed ramp according to this music beat. This effect is also done. You must remember to combine all the layers together with the music beat as many times as you want. Stay with us by subscribing to our channel to get more interesting videos like this, and watch all our videos. You will learn a lot. I am now making the video from scratch. Our video has been speed ramped. Now I will bring a cinematic look in the video. I will take an adjustment layer and leave it in the timeline. I have to bring this adjustment layer on top of all the video layers. From there I will go to the effect, search the crop from the search box and leave the crop effect in the adjustment layer. Then we come to the effect control. I will come to crop top 10% and button 10%. Yes, we have a cinematic look in the middle of the video. Thanks for watching the video and staying with us by subscribing to our channel.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it.